Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create text in Recraft AI, and I'm not talking about asking AI to put some text into the AI image. I'm talking about just creating some regular text which you can always modify later. And after that I'll show you on how you can put the text into any image and it's going to look very realistic. Basically you can create some sort of mockup using this AI tool. So first let's open Recraft.ai and then start a new project, and by the way the link is available in the video description. Now create a new project and just wait for the editor to open. And by the way, later in the video I will show you a feature in Recraft that lets you create some sort of infographic based on any text that you might have. Alright, first let's click insert and then click text. Now you can click anywhere on the area and then you can write something. So I'll try to write maybe drink more water. I'm going to select all of it and I'm going to change the font into something else. Let's try this one and I'm going to make it in the center. Oh, there is no bold, that's okay, but I'm quite happy with this text right now. Now I'm going to create an image. Let's click image and I'm going to be using this prompt. A picture of a young Asian woman smiling wearing a unironed white t-shirt while pointing her finger to her own t-shirt. Now I'm going to change the aspect ratio to be about 3:2 and click Recraft. So later I'll show you how you can put this text into this picture, but there are a few things that you need to do. So we want to convert this text into a format that is actually suitable to be placed on top of another picture, so it's going to look very realistic. Now let me maybe select this picture, and after that you can click on the picture and enable mockup right here. Just wait until it finishes, but basically it will analyze the content of the picture and it will see if there is any surface that could be considered to be as a mockup. Now click on the picture, click on the text and then click flatten image, or flatten text actually, which basically means it will turn that into an image. Now you can click the text and then drag it into the area that you want to put the text into. Okay, it's still taking quite a while. There you go. Now the text is here. It's kind of hidden. It's something that will happen. It's not very intuitive, but you can actually make the text smaller, resizing it to be smaller so you can see the text fully. There you go. Now I'm going to rotate the text a little bit. Drink more water. So that's the text. Yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create text, and then you can put it into another image. And again, if you look closely, it will actually follow the contour of the picture. So it's very realistic, and it's something that you want to use for a mockup picture. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is the feature in Recraft that lets you create some sort of infographic using AI. So let's click image and then select the model. You want to scroll down and you want to find the graphic design section. This one. So there are some designs, some styles that you could follow. There is emblem, pop graphic, stamp, punk graphic, vintage emblem, etc. But I'll try to use pop graphic. And after that, you can create something here. You can write some prompt and AI will create that based on the text that you provided, and the text is going to be accurate. So I'll try the same text again. Drink more water and Recraft. So it's going to create a nice looking design actually, which I think could be used as a printable element, maybe on a t-shirt, maybe on a mug. And I think this is very much similar to the theme of this video. Now I think I like this design. I think this design is better, and I'm going to remove the background. Okay, just wait, it might take quite a while. Oh, the background is still there for some reason. Maybe it doesn't consider that as a background. So it could happen actually. Okay, maybe try this. There you go. Okay, it's not my favorite design, but that's okay. Now I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to put it into this picture. Okay, it's too big. Don't worry about that. Let's just resize the picture and put it to the center of the t-shirt. And there you go. I think it looks pretty great. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. That's how you can create text in Recraft AI, and you can put it into another picture, also using a feature in Recraft AI. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.